Hi, my name is Aram and I live in Qatar. Today I decided to go to a famous cave in Qatar, but this little kitty wanted the breakfast, so I gave her. And I decided to have a breakfast as well, so we went straight to a bakery near our home. The bakery is just 10 minutes away at Salvar Road. We had some funny conversation in the meanwhile we reached the bakery. It is a Lebanese bakery and I really love the vibe of the bakery. It was really cool and it's colorful. We ordered everyone's favorite meal to eat. It was fresh and they served in no time. Then we went straight looking for the cave because it was our first time, so it took us a while to search for the cave. But after half an hour, we did reach the cave. And after reaching, I found that it's in the middle of nowhere. You find nothing beside this cave. But it's really nice place to visit. If you're a traveler, this place is for you. You can see the stones are there and they're estimatedly 40 to 50 million year old stone. But you can see the bottom of the cave because it's only 40 meters deep. If you look at the map, it is located in the center of Qatar. The formation of the rocks are in layered form. There's a small sitting area on the side and I would recommend if you're a traveler.